I am DK Sinha. The Hang Seng Index is approaching a level that has repeatedly been acting as a resistance. And what makes this even more interesting is that the current structure is aligning closely with the 61.8% expansion level at 28,057. If the index fails here again, we could see another strong rejection. But if this resistance is broken out with a follow-through action and a momentum, the charts may be opening a door towards 32,600. In this video, we will break it down the Hang Seng Index using pure technical analysis, historical price action, multiple time frame approach, trend lines, moving averages, Fibonacci expansion level, RSI momentum, MACD signal, and key support and resistance level. Remember, market returns are never guaranteed. Never ignore risk management. Let us straight away go to the price charts for comprehensive technical analysis. This is the monthly price chart of Hang Seng Index. There are some very interesting historical price action which you must understand before you can understand how the technical analysis and price action, if done on the historical price chart, can help you to understand the market better. So listen it very carefully, whatever I explain, which will enhance your skill and knowledge in technical analysis. Look at here. This is the level it made all-time high way back in October 2007. Then what has happened? There was a financial crisis world over and index collapsed and had fallen almost vertically. Then it recovered and ultimately made yet another lifetime high in January 2018 at 33,484, which means there was a clear breakout of this rounding bottom pattern. But it did not sustain. Why it failed? Because one, the breakout was not healthy, it was a parabolic rise. And secondly, the breakout was not at all decisive. The body of the breakout candle was more than 50% was below the resistance area, and ultimately it collapsed. Look at the trend line. This trend line is valid since 1998. Price has taken support here, so you can find multiple touch points on this trend line, and this trend line acted for a very long as dynamic support. But finally, it gave a breakdown over here, and there was a massive downtrending move that started in January 2018. So Hang Seng market remained in a bearish territory for over 6 years. And then what has happened? It formed the double bottom chart pattern, which we all know is a reversal chart pattern. This was the apex area. So there was a very strong pullback. As we know, the first pullback post downtrending market is likely to be sold out, and this is how the reversal chart pattern get formed. Either it is double bottom, triple bottom, or inverse head and shoulder. So it formed the double bottom over here, apex area was here, and it gave a breakout over here with the closing above the apex area. And then what happened? The price consolidated, but this neckline of double bottom acted as a very strong support which had a multiple confluence of moving averages like SMA 200 and SMA 233. And then this trend line started acting as a dynamic support. Now, why the price is getting rejected here? There are multiple reasons. We had drawn the historical trend line over here. Post breakdown is acting as a resistance where the price is getting rejected multiple times. At the same time, when you use the Fibonacci expansion tool with respect to the breakout of double bottom chart pattern, it has attained the level of 61.8% expansion level, which comes at around 28,000 plus level, and so the price is getting rejected. What does it mean? When the trend reversal takes place, the possibility of it going to 100% expansion at 32,600 cannot be ruled out simply because it is 100% expansion with respect to the double bottom chart pattern. Look at the momentum indicator. When double bottom got formed, we witnessed bullish divergence on RSI. At the same time, there was a crossover, bullish crossover in MACD. Now, during consolidation in the recent time, there is a pullback, and you can see here there is an MDRP clearly visible with respect to this level versus this level. What does it mean? There is a lack of downside momentum, and the price may soon be showing the sign of recovery in Hang Seng Index. Here MACD also we can see the loss of upside momentum because the size of the histogram is getting reduced but is still forming above zero line. Now look at the weekly price chart of Hang Seng Index. This trend line is acting as a dynamic support with a multiple touch points. At the same time, the market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure, and EMA 55 has acted as a dynamic support in weekly time frame. It has taken support here, it has taken support here, and once again we have seen a recent bounce back from EMA 55. So by and large, EMA 55, although it shows the pierce through action, but ultimate gets defended in the weekly time frame. Now we refer to the daily chart of Hang Seng Index. What do we see over here? In the recent time, it came under the downtrending move. EMA 21 crossed under EMA 55, EMA 55 crossed under SMA 144, and SMA 144 started slightly sloping down. But the price did not remain below SMA 233 for a longer, and this could be treated as a typical accumulation phase because it was a range bound movement in Hang Seng Index. Now here the price is consolidating quite in proximity of SMA 233. So since it was in the downtrending move where the market structure was lower highs and lower lows kind of structure, we need to have some kind of reversal chart pattern. Either it could be double bottom, and if it has to form the double bottom, price may snap back to this level to test the earlier bottom, and then this is the apex when it gives a breakout that would signal the reversal in the trend in Hang Seng Index. Another possibility is the formation of inverse head and shoulder. What could be the possibility of inverse head and shoulder? Let me draw and show you. This is the left shoulder. Price has gone up and it has formed the head. And if I draw over here the neckline, then there is a rising neckline of this upcoming inverse head and shoulder. And if it gives the breakout of this neckline before testing this low, that means there will be trend reversal because there is a breakout of a reversal chart pattern. If you look closely, in recent time it was a vertical fall. Then what is happening since last 2 days? There is a formation of inside bar. When inside bar is getting formed, what does it indicate? The lack of downside momentum. Look at the momentum indicator. Typical sideways movement in RSI because 60 is facing a resistance and 40 is becoming a support level. So when the momentum gets developed, either there is a bullish swing breakout in RSI or else there is a breakout of 60 level. It will signal the strong momentum developing in Hang Seng Index. Look at MACD. It is showing a weakness. Cross under is already done in MACD and histogram is getting formed below zero level. What should you do? You should simply mark a alert on this chart. I am drawing a horizontal line which is nothing but the high of this level. If any candle closes above this horizontal line, what does it mean? There is a great possibility of a breakout of inverse head and shoulder. Only thing we have to check at that point of time whether the breakout is healthy or not. So there is a simple homework for you. Set an alert as explained in the chart during technical analysis and comment, I have set an alert. Number 2, your opinion is very important. Will the Hang Seng break out 28,057 level in the month of May or June 2026? Below are the questions which I am asking you. I am going to pin it up in the comment section for you to answer. Number 1, bullish breakout. Number 2, strong rejection. Number 3, sideways consolidation. Number 4, waiting for the confirmation. Your participation and interaction is very important for learning and cross learning. Looking forward to meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.